Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw L-shaped window on interior wall. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing, I would like to use a column to create one side of the wall, okay, so that we can put in the door. Okay, so just drag the column in and then start to resize. Alright, so for my length, 150, for my width, 2150, and for my height, okay, we need to untick the proportion. Okay, so again, 150 to 150, height should be 2800. All right, once we are done resizing, we can always select to position. All right, so from here to here, the distance should be 3500. All right, so when I go in, I would see something like that. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you can quickly just put in a door. All right, so we can just rotate. All right, so on to this side. All right, so for another side of the wall, I'll be only using panels to create. Okay, so we can use any cabinet function and look for a superboard. Okay, so just drag the superboard out and start to resize. So for the width, 2000. For the depth, 150. And for the height, 2800. Alright, so this would be another side of the wall. Okay, so now we can just use the numbers to position it. Alright, so here 3005, 3005, just like that. Alright, so over here we are going to continue using the superboard to create. Alright, so this would be the partition and also the mirror. Okay, so drag out the superboard and resize first 1005, 1005, and for the height just remain 20. Okay, so we are going to use the panel point editing function. So click on B, right click, and select the panel point editing. Alright, so first thing we would like to delete the panel. So click on the surface and press delete. Alright, so now we can start by drawing a new panel. Alright, so the size will be 150. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing an L shape with a 150 dimension. 50, 100, 150, and join them together. And you'll get an L-shaped panel. Alright, just save it and return. Alright, once you're done creating the L-shaped panel, you can always change the height again. Alright, so the height would be 1300. Okay, so now position it to 150 over here, 2000. Alright, just like that. Okay, next thing we want to do another partition on top here. Okay, we can just simply just copy, Control V, okay, and then move back inside here, 2000. Okay, and then right now we would like to change the height first, 300, and set the elevation higher. Okay, so the elevation would be 2500. Alright, so I have the partition done. Alright, so now we are going to create the mirror in the middle. Okay, same thing, we are going to use the superboard to create. So 1005 for the width, 1005 for the depth. Okay, click on B, board selection, right click, and use the panel point editing. Okay, so same steps, we're going to delete the panel and redraw a new panel. Okay, so we are going to use a 50 mm. Okay, so draw the L-shaped panel with the 50 mm dimension. Alright, once we are done, okay, so for this mirror panel, I would like to change the dimensions from 50 to 30. Okay, so it will be a thinner panel. Alright, so over here, you can just click on the L-shaped panels, and over here at the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, you can always change to 30. Alright, so just highlight the 50s and change to 30. So once we are done, we can just click Save and then click on Return. Now we can change the height again. So 1200 for my height. And next thing, I can just select the material, and I would like to put in a glass material. Alright, so select the clear glass and click choose. Okay, so same thing now, we are going to reposition. Okay, so 2170, 2130, and then over here should be 1970. Okay, so now don't forget, we need to move the mirror up, so increase the elevation to 1300. So this would be the glass. Alright, so if you would like to put in the textures, we recommend you to upload your own textures to the business center. Alright, so later on you can actually use back the same color for your panels and also your walls. Alright, so over here I'm going to choose the material. Alright, so this would be on my wall, and then for my panel we can just click onto the panels and change the material over here. Alright, so this one. Okay, so once I'm done, I can just right click, format painter, material painter, and just paint on the other panels. And there you have it. So this is how to draw L-shaped window on interior wall. Good luck trying, guys.